are a broke college student like me and you just don't have the time nor the funds, these are easy meals, you guys. Hi guys, it is Ashley here. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. If this is your very first time tuning in, please don't forget to go down below, hit that subscribe button right now. And if you are coming back, welcome back. So I thought of this little idea yesterday to show you guys, if you're in college, if you're about to go to college, just some quick and easy meals that you guys can make on a college budget. I know how hard things can get. I don't have a job. Some of y'all might not have a job. Some of y'all probably not even gonna get no money from y'all's parents to even be buying food like that. Let's be real. So since I'm back home for the summer, I just want to show you guys what I would do if I'm in my college apartment, in my kitchen. 3 quick and simple meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner that I make on a college budget. I promise you, you probably won't end up spending any more than like $20, $25 to make these meals. And if you're on a time restraint, these meals are very quick and easy to make. Now, don't get me wrong, these are not struggle meals. These are not struggle meals. We're gonna be eating some good stuff, okay? But if you are a broke college student like me and you just don't have the time nor the funds, these are easy meals, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy this video and let's get to cooking. Okay guys, so breakfast is super simple for me. I usually just have 2 eggs and some bread, or 2 eggs and some waffles. Today we're gonna do 2 eggs and waffles. Eggs are protein, so you gotta have your protein. We're not gonna cook these eggs on the stove. We're gonna do the microwave instead, because that way it's so much easier. And a lot of people might have a problem with eggs in the microwave because it has to do with like radiation and things of that sort. But honestly, it's the same process whether you're doing it on the stove top or the microwave. I mean, there's radiation both ways. You do it through the microwave, it's just a lot quicker and easier. So I do pepper, buttered, salt. Really, you could just use regular salt. I mean, this is not even that necessary, but just to add some flavor. So once that's mixed, I love waffles, you guys. So usually I do like 3 to 4. But I'm just gonna do 3 for today. I like when my waffles are crispy but like still soft at the same time. So I put these in the microwave for a minute and then I put them in the toaster for maybe like 2 minutes. And then as far as the eggs, you're gonna put these in the microwave for a minute at first. Take it out, see if it's scrambled enough, and then if not, just put it back in for like an extra 30 seconds. So. And I have microwaved my waffles, so now I'm just leaving them in there for like 2-3-ish minutes on toast until they're a little bit crispy. Okay guys, so this is my breakfast. It took no longer than 7 minutes tops. And then I'm just gonna throw in a little Jello cup with it. You can do fruit, you can substitute it for a beverage, whatever the case. I don't usually drink anything in the morning besides water. Well, really water is all I drink. And don't judge, but I really like ketchup on my eggs. Comment below if you like ketchup on your eggs, because people that don't, y'all are asleep. It's not nasty, it's actually really good. So get with the program. Just that good. And the time is about 12:30 now. I woke up a lot earlier, but usually I have a late breakfast anyways due to, you know, class or me just getting up late in general. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my breakfast and then I'll catch up with you guys for lunch. All right guys, so I'm back for lunch now. It's about 5 minutes after 4. I'm about to make one of the easiest meals, I feel is one of the easiest meals for college students or just people in general, really. Lately I've been falling out of love with chicken and more so with fish. So I love seafood. I love shrimp, tilapia, salmon. This bag is the bag that I usually get from Walmart. I believe this is like $5 and it's already pre-cooked, peeled, clean, devined. The tail is already off, all that good stuff. So this is like ready-made for people that don't, you know, usually cook or know what to do or peel shrimp, things like that. So this is perfect. I'm just gonna make it with some rice. I mean, any kind of rice really. This is just I don't know, girl, it's just some great value rice. As far as substitutions go, you can do chicken instead of shrimp, you can do pasta instead of rice, add your little vegetables, your broccoli. If you just get yourself a meat and a starch to make on the stove, one of the easiest meals ever. So my shrimp is already defrosted. I did that last night. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some out of this bag right here. Still will have some water in there, but it's okay. We're gonna clean it off and rinse it off anyways. So this is about half the bag of shrimp. So I still have a good amount left for like another batch if I wanted to. Being that the shrimp is already cooked and clean and whatnot, I'm still gonna run some water over it just because I like my stuff to be extra clean. So at school I have a bunch of seasonings, but here these are the only two that my mom has that I would want to put in my foods. This right here is the All-American seasoning and rub, so you can put this on any type of meat. I even use these on my fries for like a little extra seasoning, but you can use it on poultry, pork, beef, seafood, vegetables, whatever the case. And she also included some other ingredients in here as well, so this has like salt, pepper, everything. So this is really all that I need. And then I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper to top it off because I love when my food is spicy, like spicing hot. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this as well. So this is all I do to prep before I put it on the stove. And if I want to add some more seasoning while it's cooking, I can do that. Now, everybody makes their rice differently. I was just taught to wash my rice before I make it. So I literally just pour this in here. This is about how much I put in there. I just fill it up kind of like halfway to the brim, and then I'm going to fill it up with some water, wash it, and then fill it up again, and then put it right back on the stove. I'm going to place this on my back stove. I'm gonna turn it on like 6 to cook, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of this pink Himalayan salt, and then just take your spoon, stir it a little bit. I would let it just sit for like 7 to 10 minutes. Keep eyeing it, keep stirring it with the spoon, and you should be good to go. I'm gonna wait until the rice is like almost done or pretty much completely done to start cooking the shrimp, because shrimp is very, very easy to cook. It's not hard at all. It takes me like 5 to 7 minutes to cook shrimp max. So when I'm ready to make the shrimp, I'll be right back to check, guys. So my stove is now hot. I'm just gonna take some 100% olive oil and just pour out a little bit, but just however much I need. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a wooden little spoon spatula thing and just pop this shrimp right in. So like I said, you know, while you're cooking your shrimp or whatever food you're making, you can add more seasoning as you're cooking. So I'm just gonna take this Jamaican curry powder because I love curry a lot, especially on my shrimp. If you guys haven't tried curry on shrimp, you're missing out. Curry is also gonna add color to the shrimp as well, so be mindful of that. But to me, it adds flavor to both the meat and the rice. So that's why I like it a lot. So you'll know that your rice is finished when it's not wet, it doesn't look soggy, it's full. I don't really know how to describe it, but your rice needs to look like this, basically. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just add maybe like 1 tablespoon of butter to this just to top it off. So y'all see how that butter is literally just like melting in here? That's exactly what I love. This is the finished product. Look at how, wow, look at how good this looks. It looks so good. Lunch is served. This is looking really, really good. The thing about me is when I cook, I never really taste as I go, which is like a rule that I was taught to do. But it's like when you cook for a minute and you use the same products, not the same products. Am I doing makeup right now? Same ingredients. When you're using the same ingredients, you kind of don't really need to taste your food because you know it's gonna be good, you know? The curry like stains the rice, so I really don't need like any sauce or anything. This is it. Ooh, mom gonna be so proud. This type of meals, a meat and a starch, do not take long to cook at all. So I'm about to go finish eating, edit, and I'll catch up with you guys at dinner. Hey y'all, so I'm back for dinner. It just hit 10 o'clock. I don't usually eat dinner this late if I'm at school, nor if I'm home, but the kitchen was occupied all night tonight. For dinner, I don't usually eat too heavy, especially if I eat a heavy lunch. So all I'm gonna do is make me a salad. Lettuce, croutons, and some Thousand Island dressing. That's it. I don't put cheese on my salad anymore. I usually do like bacon bits or ham. Nice and green and healthy. This meal right here also serves as a very good snack in between meals. I feel like this is one of the most convenient meals ever. And you can also use lettuce to do a lot of other things. I use my lettuce for wraps. I use my lettuce for a lot of things. So yeah, this is dinner for the night. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want more college related videos such as this one, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.